Welcome back to R-TAC and Daughters, and we're at the workbench here in the basement doing laundry. So let's do some videos. Here we go. Magazine Monday. Guess what? I got this Glock 20 standard 10+5 round magazine at Dunham's for $19.99, which I think that's kind of cheap for a Glock mag, don't you? So let's take a look at it. We've got the thing here out, but yeah, Magazine Monday, $15.99 Glock mags. Can't beat that, huh? There we go, Magazine Monday. So, yep. G20 10mm is the best millimeter. So here we go. We got our Gen 5 design, basically Gen 4, where it will lock on either side. We got our standard plastic base plate. I'll probably change that. As you can see, it holds 10 rounds. Got our Glock thing here, our emblem, 10mm right here. The follower is, that's a new design I've seen. Got a little flare to it there. Interesting. Of course, this is the first. What doesn't get 2019 though is the. Anyway, so this is the Glock mag. So in 1963, outside of Vienna, Gaston Glock began his professional journey with polymer and metals. In 1981, Glock, I ain't gonna say that, founded engineering feats where they were being realized, accomplishments that would ultimately redefine the modern pistola, meaning polymers, and Glock perfection. Glock mags are really good, ultra reliable. Very few, I don't think I ever had one that failed me because of magazine, factory wise. I've had some ups and downs with magazines, but I believe some of that is ammo related, not magazine related. So Glock mag for 20 bucks, that's a pretty good deal. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you fine, ladies and gentlemen, next time.